And I do with so much something. I know when we talk, you hear me say, I don't want to hear it. Move. I just go say, see you. That's the easiest blood. Because you can spit back on me. And you still go back and right. Wall it. Yeah, right, but you spit in a man's face. Some man never spit back in a girl blood. Spit dirty. Go back up in your mama. Me know why your mama like me. Me know want you to call me. Me know why your brother like me. Me know why never to chat to me. Oh no, go ahead. My family them not this one. Me no matter to come kiss out my bleeding blood. Me have enough of that thing. Wanna take me and use me. Because I hear your mama slug and chat me nothing. Go ahead. I never forget it, man. When you beat my mama out there, I tell her, do this, do that. And she accept you. I mean, I walk and tell her how you deal with me. Can't deal with me, tell her, I say, Mom, me in the room. I'm on my cup of the bar. I say, Mom, you know, I don't like how you deal with me. I'm going to pay me the mind. I'm going to push it back down. And you see them now pay me the mind. You talk about Trisha people like pay man and them bad. You're afraid of Trisha bad people them. But you're afraid of my for them because nobody threaten you. Not call me, man. Nobody not call me. Not call my phone if money ain't in it. Yes. Rachel, just not that mother girl. Cause I can't bring up on this like if my daughter never match me. Don't you hear that? No. From 2020, I take rest 2 weeks. I may never take rest. And when I see you now pull your blood, come talk about you're not frightened for me. Go frightened for Simone. Remember you hold me, you know. I know me not see me no way forgive me about that, you know. You hear that? But you know, girl, we used to have every day, so don't say so to use. You have a great woman. You hear that? You think you can fool me. I just myself when I say all of the disgrace I take me and the disrespect. I just humble, soft, and fair, and turn away rat. You hear that? Me, you too. For me, they look at each other in one corner. I say, do you come do this to me? Crazy, me, I do something. What you do? I text. So I must feel something. I not feelings. You're not even appreciating life where you get up and live. Within a year, your trouble must be 15 blood. And you can't humble yourself and build with your wife in every blood. A loose girl can reach out to you. Is a common foul. I want a common foul husband, me a queen. You understand me? Oh, dear me, to be a queen and you come and me out with all of these words. When know me, we're growing and my son hurt me in the mind. It's her. The little girl I kiss for the when I put up. And one little girl used to come into my house, you know. Why people so devious? Come London here, America here. And little girl used to give me things and my money. And you come in and know these people from nowhere. You're frightened about girl, every girl you're frightened over. And I said to you, do it. Be hard, forget. Make them chasing a brother. As one girl there, I see one girl picture, you're depending something. Wow, I'm sexy girl. I said, do it, stop it. Yeah, give me a girl a receipt. The little girl, well, I see her go so put up when you run with. I want to get used to comb my ear and my picnic ear. And you come and you mix up with them and you sit down and you chat me with them. I'm going to forgive you. And you still come back with Simone. And I'm going to tell me, nobody can talk to me. Mr. Do me and you go put her each on earth. How crazy I can't bother change. I can't bother do this. I must go for a rap. Till the daytime blood. Yeah. 2020 January. Move your dirty. That Simone, that the value where Simone give you for your marriage. That you make your marriage enough to because of Simone. How much time you gonna do this thing? Girl from Canada, white girl from one white girl down in Manchester threaten you. I tell her she gonna tell your wife. White girl come to Jamaica come. I say God help me not catch disease. You know, I pray. When I go home and press the my ear, everything me say. Negative. I said, Jesus Christ, God, who could it be? I'm afraid. I'm afraid I not tell nobody. I just cut them. You're not done grow yet. And you're not done learn. You need to go learn. Listen, respect. I mean, I tell you that's the truth. And any they'll take you. By them they with you are weak, them find out where you is. You're a savage. You're a selfish little b. This them only a piss to your girl. Them not bring a business to you. Them not motivate you. Them not elevate you. The one way you get. And I want, and then, you know much I'll depend my one case. If me never try and turbo but I'm not down a ground. You hear that? Yeah, to war girl. You like me I worry for my husband all when him now wants me. Girl, I'm my husband. I work hard for my husband they wish for him dead. I mean I go sit down and make no when I have no loyalty to no man. Take my husband and me sit down and ball and fret. My name and share my that all of your man them got hear about this because you have 100 man in a girl. Remember that I mean I have a problem because if I could get an next 100 I would. So don't think me I discriminate me. Just I tell you who you is. Why you have to be in my husband DM? Why you come to me yard and come tell me about gangster? Me now why your husband number and about do we have your number? What do we do with your number? Alright, him get the number fast, but you hops to the man DM and the man hops back in you. Your big thing. What dear? What give it to my give me a ring and a husband? That's a band. That's what. What the word cycle? Enough a woman will never get a husband. You hear that? Yeah, man, I'm tired of Hey, what's up, Raz? How you doing? How is life? Oh my God. Them said the greatest thing is to know. And them have a next thing, say, "Cow never know them use of them tail until it cut off, innit?" You know, you see love making with me, oh my God, no doubts, no turns are left on stone, no stone are left on turns. All them kissing up the way I give me right, you, oh my God. I'm floating, man. I miss them days. I'm always reminisce because you don't know. You just never know. You get me, fam, until when you say you have it, you say, "Bumbo clot." Them 3 times, ain't it? And for Christmas Eve, my husband never called me at the airport.
Crazy, remember me attack
I'm say,
everything in a girl.
that, me not look. If that me not doing this to do it, me done married to do it already. I have to kill up myself and this excitement, me not look. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. You say me do it, come drop off at airport and take taxi, go a girl yard, go a girl bed and me have to drive, go for do me. Yeah, do it, not do it, Yvette. Yeah, do it, Mr. God, I'm praying, Yvette, Mr. Father God. You see, I know some is a forgiving person, I mean a caring person. I mean I want all the great things for my husband.
He's a really caring person for true,
I mean,
Crazy.
man,
I know
do
what
it.
grudge to true, no care what you
Man,
answer
not care about you, them not spend no time with you because you're feeble, do it. Do it, if you say do it. I can't do it, do it for and say, do it for crazy, me not know. I said, do it. That's why I give it for you look and help me. If you don't try, how you going to know? So no matter how simple the thing is, that I will be able to buy.
Hush, hush, my love. I saw it go. Life goes on, baby.
Life goes on for Rochelle that I must do. I get tired with it. So I let me feel sorry for